I am Parikshit Talesra. I am one of the director of CanSoft Solutions, and I belong to Udaipur itself, and we've been doing business since 2000. The family background did inspire me. My father, he was a BITS Pilani alumni. He started doing computer science in 1976, and we just followed his footsteps. In 2000, we've already been involved in educating kids into computer science since 94, and we saw a lot of gap wherein Udaipurites, especially industries, were not able to leverage technology. And we had the capability. After coming back, my father was in Middle East working on different positions. So he decided to do something for the industries, and he started building tiny bits of software. And this eventually picked up, and industry started leveraging those softwares. So that was something which gave us a start, and there was no stopping after that. Journey has been quite fantastic, with the family involved in the core management, and by now we have got quite a bit of good profile people involved in doing multi stake business solutions, and we have served a lot of variety of customers globally, and this has given us a very rich experience in terms of how we can solution technically leverage things, and grow companies, transform companies using the traditional model to a latest digital platform. Success mantra, according to me, I'm an old school fellow, and I believe working smart, hard work, discipline, and being persistent is very important. To carry on something, and finishing it to the last bit. Uh, 10 years back, we had a technology glitch, and during that during that course, we unfortunately lost few customers, and that was very unfortunate because there were different reasons beyond control, but the customers lost faith in us at that point. And the way we all overcame that bad moment in our company was by reinstating the faith into the companies, by uh, you know capturing their what we had been doing, by overcoming some of the other way, not losing them till the end. And we were able to regain quite a bit of customers after within 6 months of time. And now they are still working with us. So I can definitely say we had overcome that situation. See, I'm typically in an IT world, and we all know that IT is a global thing, and traveling has been, quite an impact on my life. Especially in the initial few years, we had to travel a lot, meeting different people on different parts of the world, and that did impact a balance between my family and work, and how I could when I wanted to be with my family, I couldn't be there a lot of times. But that was something, my family looks back, and they are quite happy with what we are right now. Core strength, I would say, is we work on typically enterprise solutions, wherein most of the software companies work on different levels of softwares, and we like to work on at an advanced level of solutioning, which helps a lot of business customers, as in, like, we are into B2B service segment. And this requires a lot of in-depth knowledge about how the business functions into that industry works. So we have by now acquired a lot of vertical experience in our company, and bridging that technology and business is something that we are very good at. And our 70 people odd team has got that great exposure on doing the business solutions. Our company works on multiple enterprise solutions, doing ERPs. We do custom ERP development. We've got our own product suites, doing e-commerce and teleshopping CRMs. We have a big center of excellence for fitness, mobile apps. We have been working globally across US, Europe, Australia, and India. So we have got a diverse experience. See, outside of work, family is the first thing for me. The moment I finish my work, I try and spend as much as time with my kids. And of course, other than that, I like to play cricket, watch documentary movies, listen to what other entrepreneurs have to say, what's the latest trends going on in the markets, and go through the news and stuff. For me, it is my dad. As I mentioned earlier, also he has been a very key factor in the success of our company, in the success of what we are right now, and how we think through, and how we keep our life low, as in like we want to make sure we inspire people. We follow. Ethics comes first for us. We ensure that customers are satisfied before and especially money comes, for a lot of people money comes first, but for us it's the customers who come first. And that is something we've always learned from, and we have seen how our father does it. So he is who inspires us. My message to everyone who has been studying really hard, doing their academics, and now they're ready to step out in this world, is basically, according to me, we should always follow the basics. We should the one of the problem that we see is goal setting. So that is something we always have to do, looking at the short term goals and the long term goals, and carefully and religiously following them. Realigning them is important as well, and ensuring that what you need and how you can achieve that has been thought through. And one more important element is staying being perseverant, because instant gratification is sometimes good. It feels good, but in a longer journey, when you endure a lot of tough challenges, that makes you stronger. So my message would be to stay strong, keep focusing on what you're doing, and come out really hard. It was nice knowing you, talking about thanks for hearing out me, and I'm very glad that we could gel with each other, and we could share some message together to the people out there. I'm sure somebody might get inspired with all the lovely work that you are doing. So never take things for granted. Even if you are born with a silver spoon, start from scratch. Take step one at a time, and always remember that you are born to win. All the best.